Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. So in today's video, we'll solve LeetCode problem 2545. The problem is to sort the students by their kth score. So this is a matrix which we have been given, which is m by n. And what we have to do is we have to sort the matrix according to the highest value of the kth index. For example, you can see these are basically students, for example, first student, second student, third student, and these are exams, first, second, third, and four exams. So these are their grades in each exam. For example, this student's grade for exam 0 is this, for exam 1 is this, and this. And first student grades for exam 0 is this, like this. That's how we have made an array. You can see an array here. So for example, 10, 6, 9, 1. So 10, 6, 9, 1. This matrix, it's like basically first student grades in all the four exams. Then these are second student's grade. Then these are like third student grades. You can see 10, 6, 9, 1, 7, 5, 11, 2, 4, 8, 3, 15. So I'm just trying to explain you the question problem slowly, and then the solution is really easy. Now what we have to do is they have given us k equals 2. So k equals 2 is like the second index basically. K equals 2 is basically third row and the second index. So you can see 0, 1, 2. So this row they have selected, this whole column. So for each student you have to see in the second exam, right? Basically E2, which is like second index, and third exam, first, second, third. So in this exam you have to see which student got the highest grade. For example, you can see student 0 like got 9, student 1 got 11, student 2 got 3. So this student got the highest grade. Then what we have to do, we have to take this array, all his grades, and we have to shift him on the top. Then the second highest we have to shift after that, and the lowest we have to shift at the end. You can see here. So this is the greatest one, right? So we'll take this student 1 array 7, 5, 11, 2, which is here right now. We put it here, we sort it according to the highest. Then we put 10, 6, 9, 1 because 9 is smaller than 11. Then at the end we put the lowest, which is 3. Here 4, 8, 3, 15. That's it. That's the whole question, whole problem, that we have to sort the array based on these values 9, 11, and 3. So as you can see, it's a pretty easy problem. I can just solve this problem in one line. So I can return first, and what I want to return is you return the score, but I want to sort this list, right? I want to sort the array. So I'll say score.sort, and what I want to sort, so I'll use this JavaScript sort method, which takes two values a and b. So here a and b will be this, basically this one, and this one. So what it will do, it will sort on basis of a and b, and then what we'll do is we'll go to the b and we'll takes its like second index, like which is k here, right? K. So k, you can see here k equals 2. In other example, k could be 0, so we'll just write here b of k minus a of k. So don't worry, I'll explain you what I've done here. So what I've done is I'm sorting it in a descending order. So when you subtract like b of k minus a of k, like every second of index you are subtracting from this a index, like the second array sum index you are subtracting from first array sum index. It's a for loop kind of in a sort method, which will go and do this. Every time it gets a positive number, it puts it on the top of the list. That's how you get a whole descending array. Descending means greater number to a smaller number. So after this we'll get a list where, for example, you can see here 9 is here and then 11 is here. So cause we are only checking k index, which is 2. So 9 is here and 11 here, so it will see, oh okay, this one is greater, then it will put it here and it will put it here. Then it will check 9 and then this 3. Then it will say, oh 9 is greater, then it will keep 9 here and 3 there, and that's what we get it. Now if I try to run it, it should be working fine.